Alright, so there's some that you just really need to memorize or you're going to end up going crazy. Okay, so let's look at another one that needs to be memorized. So let's say that we had h of x is equal to secant x, and you don't have this memorized. In other words, we want to know what the derivative of secant x is. So we're trying to find h prime of x, and what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and convert this into a cosine, and I'm going to rewrite this. This is 1 over cosine x. So both of these are equal. Alright, they're the same thing. And I'll rewrite my h of x over here. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and use the quotient rule on this. H prime of x. So remember, the quotient rule goes like this. We take the derivative of the numerator, and the derivative of 1 is 0, times the denominator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. And remember, this is one you got to memorize. The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Alright, and that's all over the denominator squared. So cosine squared x. Now let's clean this up. So we have h prime of x is equal to, so 0 times cosine x is 0, and we have a minus and a negative. That's going to become a positive. So we have sine x over cosine squared x. Now we can rewrite this as h prime of x is equal to sine x times, well, let me just go ahead and write cosine x underneath it here. Cosine x times 1 over cosine x. So this is kind of the reason why you need to memorize what the derivative of secant x is. Alright, h prime of x is equal to, now, sine x over cosine x is tan x times, and we can rewrite 1 over cosine x as secant x, right? So the derivative of secant x is tan x times secant x. Yeah, I'd probably get that memorized. Okay. Alright, let's look at another one here. And do you remember this? What is this asking for us to do? This operator. This is the smooth operator. No, I'm just joking. This is the operator that tells us, hey, look, we need to take the derivative of this guy inside. So I started off my tutorials explaining what this is. Alright, let's quickly do this. The derivative of sine is cosine. We rewrite what's in parentheses. And we take the derivative of the inside, this is that chain rule thing, and you get negative sine x. Right, so that becomes the derivative, and we just take this negative and bring it out front. So I'm just going to erase it here. Let's pretend I erased that and bring it out front. Okay.